I remember Micho especially, nearly all my life. He used to come here. My sisters used to come on from America, and Micho would come over and play music all day with them. And then he'd go down to O'Connor's. So that'd be my best memory. He'd be doing bits of farming, and you would have to meet him in the road. He'd be always on the bike, going to the shop and things like that. I'd say he used to take things easy. You know, he wouldn't rush into anything now. Well, I was here at home when I heard he died. I couldn't believe it. Micho was always afraid of travelling in cars with the certain people. You know, he wouldn't go with those people he wouldn't sit into car with. But he was always afraid of having a crasher. And like he ended up being killed in a car. Awful sad that he had a massive funeral. Yeah, it was awful now. It was awful. Hard to believe he had been killed like that. But Micho had years left in him. Do you know, it was a pity. Pity what happened to him. I think he used to come here one time playing for dancers. Himself and Tom Skillon and McLean Connellan. We used to have dances out in the old house one time, and they'd play. That's going back a long time now. I was only a small lad. And I think there were a dances out in Lafferty's next door as well. So, yeah, we used to love to see the music coming. I used to love it. I used to love the accordion. Well, I learned a few tunes off of him, all right. He used to, when he'd come over here, we'd have a few tunes, and that's kind of how I got going, and I worked on from there then by myself. Yeah, I played a tune Micho always played. He used to always play this tune.